kg. Yes. They're very strict here. So, don't take a chance. Ako nga late eh. Ano pong gate number? Training kami, training. What is your flight number? Hala, saan ka pupunta? Wow, na all. We're waiting for our clearance. Bye-bye. Only 2 hours. Waiting for clearance. Good shot. AirAsia. We have landed at Dongwon International Airport Terminal 1. Naku, ang tagal niya mag-cellphone. Hindi niya maano yung picture. Photos. And so the immigration was so fast. And we're going to our baggage claim. Welcome to Thailand. Grabe, so smooth flight. Less than 2 hours, and then immigration is so fast, bag is so fast. So we already have our roaming, so we're not gonna buy SIM, but we will take cash. Sino ang maswerteng ATM? Ito na lang. Welcoming committee. Galing. So we just drop the bags and proceed to our journey. Yan. This is the correct one. Mochit. Yay! Muntik pa magkamali. So we have to take BTS. Mochit. Not Chatuchak. MRT. 47 pa. Train. Then station and then transfer. Right. So, Sayang. Baba sa Sayang. Then, lipat lang sa kabila. Oh, Bangwa. Meron naman siya. Paingana. Sarap. Hello, iba-iba sila ng price. Ayan, may option ka naman sa taas. For the sunog na naman kami dito sa tanghali. Ganun? It's a no. No daw. This is what river?
Chao Phraya.
Alala. Fairness. The Peninsula Bangkok. Kasabay natin. Tayo nandito tayo sa low cost. Charot. Wala masyado tao. Ay, ayun na pala sila. Speaking of, riding to Wat Arun. Init, Wat Arun. Yes, and we reach. Ayun kay ate. May ano. Yan. Dad, isa kang magiting. Charot. Yung hari naging puma yung sapatos. So ito, nasa loob kasi siya eh. But it's so nice and AC, air conditioned. Hi Guys, andito tayo sa Wat Arun Temple and medyo looban yung Kalaate but it's really nice. They have good selection at siguro dahil nga nasa looban sila hindi man masyadong napupuntahan pa, so nice and good. 150 baht only, 50 for accessories. Hello! So now we have a photographer. They know how to pose. Oh, di mainit pa yan. Ay! Emotions. And then Puma. So nice. It's so nice here. We have electric fan also. And they will give you the pose. They will give you it. Hindi natin alam to. Tara. It's very hot. But worth it to take a photographer because you're gonna go here only once and you're gonna put everything all together once, so just take the photographer because they have professional shots and they know where to pose you. Like for us, she knows the places we're in is not very hot. Or the negrita na naman. Siguro isa sa mga tips na magbibigay natin dyan ay ganda niyo yung shoes nyo. Tingnan mo ko flat with very, very, very nice. Because if not, ganun. Kita siya.
Ano ko yung sapatos?
Shoes. Lagot. So inside, there's no food. But outside, yung, ano ba to? Land entrance. Parang land entrance siya eh. Not the water one. The water one, no. Nothing. Wow! What's your food? Yan! Krapaw! Wow! Nagkamali kami. Ito 10 baht lang. Doon mga 30, 40. Ito 10 lang. Let's go! Pero madaming tao syempre. 10 baht lang. Ayun na may pa 40 pa tayo. Di ba yun? Wow. Ang laki. Madamay sa Songkran truck. Mama, ready ka ba? Kain na naman. Thai food. What did you order? Bayan. Sarap. Ay, finally, sa mall. Ingit sa labas eh, pad krapaw. Hindi ako natira ni Dad kanina. Sobrang gutom yan. Dad? Kamusta lang? Kakaiba lasa. May likab. Ay, tom yum. Hindi pa tayo nakakain eh. So yan, fusion. Rice siya na tom yum. Kasi gusto niya mag-rice daw. Ako naman. Bye. Manibago lang. Dad, sarap ko yun. Hindi naman siya masyadong tom yum, tsaka hindi nila inanghangan. Kasi sabi mo hindi ko kumakain. Ito rin, hindi masyadong maanghang yung pad krapaw pa. Dahil hindi na ko natikman kanina, gawa ni Dad. O, Dad, tikman mo to. Pad krapaw. Ito. Tapos lagyan niya ng ano. Ay, pinabula. Alin mas masarap? Pareho lang. Kain.
Talaga masanay ako.
Dad, eating mango chicken rice. Ano natin? Alam ko pwede na.
Yun.
May coconut. Sarap. Ito yung ano, parang sauce dad. May alat, may tamis, may coconut. Yan ang mga gusto ko like. Meron din tayo mga Thai restaurant sa Pilipinas. Though hindi naman lahat, pero mostly. Like, meron talagang kaibang masyadong makokonat yung lasa. Kaya naglalasang Miko, yung parang bigas or whatever. Hindi ganun. Yung totoong sticks. So, beginners natin dyan. 50 baht for the magnet. Okay. Finally. So, finally, we reached. Meron pa siyang malaking fridge. Mini kitchen, dining, and of course, toilet. So, ang sarap ng massage. Sobrang sarap. Nanantok na ako. Hindi ko siya rin kaya. Good night, everyone. Wow, nagpa bago matulog. Mufasa. Black chub. Ready for shuttle. Go to airport. Done! No reaction. Yes, with airport shuttle. Beautiful. Beautiful. Shuttle bus. Safe travels. Bye-bye. Right, so one of the walking distance is Amari. And then it's right straight to AirAsia. Wow, thank you. Yan. Video talaga yan, Dad. Dad, video talaga yan. Gutom na yan si Dad. Dali ka na nga, kain na tayo. Done, bag drop. In Bangkok.
Very good. I enjoy it very much.
Great. Alright, so kain muna tayo before we go home. Busy si Dad. Grabe, ang saya dito. Sobrang bilis ng service. Pwede kang kahit nagmamadali ka. Asian porn. They have Japanese also. Chinese. Grabe, ang sarap talaga. Kahit gusto ko yan sana mag-rice kaso lang pad thai talaga is my favorite eh. Sa char. How was your food, Doc? With rice. Sa akin ang sarap grabe ng pad thai. Tapos ang laki pa. And of course, mango sticky rice. Okay dito sa Asian corner. Halos same price naman sila eh. Sarap talaga ng pad thai. Medyo. Or baka ako lang. Nasasarap ako sa pad thai. Ako favorite ko sa pad thai. There's space for mango sticky rice. I love that. Ay, cool. Nakalagay na siya sa ganito. Because sobrang busog. Sobrang sarap. Inisip ko i-take out na lang pero hindi na kailangan dahil naka-take out na siya. Nice view. I love it. Coming back soon. Ow. Sad na. Sad na ka. Uwi na. Next time again? Phuket? Krabi.
Saan ka?
Malapit lang din. EP Island. Kahit saan na lang. Bye-bye, Thailand. See you again, Thailand.